Hello, friends, and welcome to Trading ABCD. Let's have a quick look on the market. We start with Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin today we have got very interesting price action after we got some kind of bearish divergence around 11.4. We got initial drop, then it was a perfect retest of this previous SR zone around 1150, and we got very nice bounce from here. Very nice bounce from here. Now, what's next? Logically, this should go easy to 12K. Actually, we already reclaimed the previous range, so we should see some kind of continuation to 12K. But I want to mention something. It's very typical whenever we have a triangle like this in Bitcoin. So when we break the resistance, then we Bitcoin usually tend to create some kind of channel. So this support, if you take a copy of this support and you use the previous resistance as an anchor point for this resistance, so we can see that now currently Bitcoin is exactly at resistance zone. I put one on the candle body and one on the wick here, so I can say this is some kind of local resistance. We need to keep an eye on this one. So as long as alts are running, so it's okay to keep booking profits because you could never know how price will react here. If we see some kind of correction, it will be very logical. It will not surprise me. If we could break above this, I expect we retest it before we continue to the main target, which is 12K. If we break down from here, first the very bullish scenario, this should hold around 11.4, then we push up again. If we couldn't, then we need to make some kind of reaccumulation around 11.1, and then we can pump again. So this is regarding Bitcoin. Just we need to be careful that we are tapping some kind of resistance here. The trend is not initiated yet, but this is very typical from Bitcoin. Whenever there is triangle, if we break up, so we use the parallel point of the support, the parallel line of the support and we expect it to be acting as a resistance. Let's take a quick look for Chainlink. So Chainlink, this is the Fibonacci structure, and this is the downtrend. Before we had this downtrend, we break through this downtrend, and it's already heading up. The main resistance, usually when we have a downtrend like this and we draw Fibonacci, the 38.2 is a key SR level. Actually, we can see here so many test points for this 38.2. We break through, we got initial rejection of 61.8, we bounced off 50% Fibonacci, we retested 61.8, and then we are heading up again. The next key resistance levels are 11.9, followed by 13.2, which is matching the previous highs. So we can take the highs, and actually the previous highs also, it's a liquidity point also for, you can see here, for also you can see here this level. So there are plenty of testing for this zone. So $13 US is a proper TP. First, we have also 11.9. These are the two key TPs I am looking for Chainlink. Now let's take a look on the last one here, Band USDT. For Band USDT, Band is also actually provided very nice and clean price action. Let's take a look on the RSI. We here had a lower low, we got a higher low for RSI. This is obvious bullish divergence. We are bouncing back, and what we can see here also, this dip was the retest of the previous highs. As you can see, this is very typical, especially for these hype coins where they are pumping. Now we have very interesting here zone. You can see here, you can see some kind of price action here. We had some wicks above, then we retested here. So this is key zone, and we can see here how it was holding the price as a support. Then we lost this support, we very retested, we headed down. Then again here it became our resistance, also here 2-3 times. Here also it was our resistance. We went down, we retested this horizontal level, and we are now trying to break through. If we could reclaim this, then I am considering these points, and here we are talking about some key levels around 8.3. The next level we will be looking at will be around 9.4, and then we'll be talking about around $10. So these are the key levels for band. I want to see clean close actually above this range. Let me zoom in here. I want you saw this range. Why is this range is very important? So what I would like to see here, I would like to see like this. I want to see clear breakout, retest, and then another push up, and such push up should be provide like another 10 to 15, around 13, 14 percent. So this will be a decent, also decent coming trade if you missed this, so also there is another decent entry around here. We just need to wait for a clean close above this one. So this is regarding Bitcoin link band. All in all, market reclaimed the bullishness. Market reclaimed, at least we have volatility, so it's great for trading. Uh, Keep your risk managed, and I believe we are all heading to very, very good times again. Thank you. Have a nice evening.